Most of us think free will is the ability to do whatever you want. But if you have a habit of doing a certain thing, you are doing that because you have made a free choice. Are you doing that because you have made a free choice or because you have a habit? A conditioned response you can't help but do. I would argue that free will is the ability to override your programming. Now that is another way of saying you might have a certain way of seeing things, thinking about things and doing a thing. If that's why you're doing a thing, then you're not acting in free will. You might think you're, I don't know, scratching your head because you've freely chose. But if you've just got a habit of scratching your head, you know, some people have neurosy. They're neurotic. They can't help but do certain things. This isn't you acting freely. Acting freely is everything is a choice. You intentionally chose to do a certain thing because you've recognized that that's what the best thing is to do. You're not doing it because that's what you used to do. You're not doing it because that's what you're accustomed to doing. You're doing it because you've looked at the situation clearly and decided that that's what should be done. That is the only time you're using your free will. If you're doing anything just cause, that's what you're used to doing. If you're thinking anything just cause, that's what you're used to thinking. If you're seeing things a certain way just cause, that's how you're used to seeing a thing, then you're not acting freely. You're acting off your conditioned biases. You only act freely if you can look at things objectively, kind of separate yourself from your preconditioned experience, seeing it for what it is, and then deciding how to move.
Yeah.
And I would argue these three things: faith, forgiveness, and free will. We need to have an adjustment on our perspective on these things and control the narrative in a different way on all these topics.